In this video, I'm going to be upgrading the dome lights and courtesy lights in this Chevy Colorado. This should be the same from about 2015 to 2022 for Colorados and Canyons. Now these factory lights are kind of an orange light. They're not very bright. I'm going to upgrade them to LED. Now I've been using these Oxedo bulbs for several years on all different cars. Headlights, taillights, dome lights, they all work great. They're cheap and they last a long time. So let's go ahead, get these dome lights changed, and make this car a little bit brighter inside. So here's what I mean about those orangish colored lights that are pretty dull. Now here in the back seat, I've already put one LED in so you can see the difference. Let's go ahead, we'll remove the cover and I'll show you exactly how to replace all of these. In the rear seat, and this is the rear dome light, you can just take your finger. If you have a little bit of a fingernail, you can just start pulling this lens up, or you can use a flat blade screwdriver, put a little tape on it so you don't scratch or crack anything, and then you just work your way around. And it's going to pull straight down. And now to remove the bulbs, I use a pair of needle nose pliers and I put a couple layers of tape on them. Those bulbs are tucked up in there and it's kind of hard to get your fingers on them. Your fingers are also going to get burnt if you have these on for a while. So if you use some kind of tape on some needle nose pliers and just be gentle, all you have to do is squeeze a little bit and we're going to pull straight down. Here's what the new bulb looks like. Now what we're going to do is just push that straight back up into the socket. If when you push it up into the socket it doesn't light up, turn it around 180 degrees and reinsert. Now to reinstall the lens, just kind of get it lined up. You'll push just a little bit and now push in the rest of the way, all the way around, and you'll see how it snaps right back into place. Next we can go ahead and go to the front and work on those lights. And now for the front, there's a little tab right here and right here. Insert a small flat blade screwdriver. And all you do is twist. And once you get the front popped loose, you're just going to pull straight down. If you have small fingers and you can get a hold of these bulbs, great. Otherwise, duct tape on the needle nose works perfect. In the back, you're just going to get it lined up, and once you can kind of see where all the tabs are lined up in the holes, just start pushing straight up. Then work your way all the way around. Check out how much brighter that is. Also makes the vehicle look like it's a little bit newer. And that's all there is to it, guys. These LED bulbs make the cab nice and bright, actually make the vehicle feel newer. I'll put links in the description down below. I buy these off Amazon, have them show up right at your doorstep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.